Trade Dashboard provides for a detailed review of the performance of the retail channels and chains. The three charts at the top sum up the performance of Fujimart, Inulas and the lower trade. The chart at the left pertains to trade contribution. For the category as a whole, the chart tells us that for Q4, 33.5% of the sales of Hygienia are through Fujimart, 28.3% from Inulas, and the remainder from the lower trade. Fujimart is bigger than Inulas, and it is particularly strong among quality-conscious shoppers, as can be seen once I select quality-consciouses from the drop-down list. The charts in the middle and right pertain to price and promotion, two of the factors that contribute to the trends in trade contribution. The average price of Hygienia products is significantly higher in Inulas, and promotional activity in the chain is substantially higher, peaking in Q3 and Q4. In addition to trade volume and trade value contribution, the Trade Dashboard provides information on product facings, store count, store maintenance, price, sale volume and value, and segment contribution.